فلسطینی KKK انتفاضه revolution انتفاضه انتفاضه genocide is crystal clear.
Well, the world is celebrating 2024 and Gaza now after 87 days and the bombing did not even stop. So it's a genocide that's keep going and going and going, you know, and the whole world is silent. And this is a shame, really, you know. The US is supposed to stop the war. The US even supplying the Zionists more weapons and more, you know, like bombs, etc., etc., you know. It's a shame, really. You know, the war is a shame. Kids getting killed.
I think it's really important for our elected people to know that we are not letting go of this in 2024. This is only going to get stronger. The majority of Americans want a ceasefire, and we're not going to stop interrupting life until we get it. No celebration when genocide is going on. And it's very important on this first night of 2024 that we let our electeds know this is just going to keep going. Americans want a ceasefire, a permanent ceasefire, and we voted them in. They were required to represent us. So ceasefire now in 2024.
The fact that I am a Jewish person, I was raised in a Jewish world, in a Jewish family, and it took me a long time to understand and to get to the point where I realized that I've been lied to all my life. I've been deceived and lied to, and I know the truth now, and I know that for 100 years Palestinians have been living under genocidal apartheid, atrocious conditions, and they are human beings and they deserve freedom and justice and equality, and they are beautiful people, and we must end this horror that is going on every day, all day, for so long, not just since October 7th, though that is beyond.
This is the biggest story of 2023, and if we don't stop the genocide soon, it will be the biggest story of 2024.